Well, good morning, welcome back. Now today, Yamaha XJR1300 front brake master cylinder rebuild. Now I only just posted the clutch master cylinder rebuild, practically the same process. So why film it again when I've already done it? Well, we like to make this content directly component focused so that our viewers can find it. And in an online search, a video titled clutch cylinder rebuild won't bring up a brake cylinder video, no matter how similar the job is. So, to keep it focused, today for you, Yamaha XJR1300 brake master cylinder rebuild. Let's go. Right, now the system's still fully plumbed up, so before I take the banjo bolt off and get a mess everywhere, I'm going to take the cap off and suck the old fluid out. Now that could be a mini adventure because on the left-hand side, as you can see on the clutch reservoir, those two screws have been replaced with brand new ones, but on the brake side, not so much. They are the original. One of them's a bit skanky and crusty, and the other one, rusty and chewed out. So let's have some fun with that first. Gotcha. Gotcha. Right, now it doesn't matter because this fluid's being replaced, but let's just see, out of curiosity, what the water content's like. Absolutely trashed, as you'd expect. Right, Yamaha, so remember, right-hand mirror is left-hand thread. Right, usual situation with these old bikes, right gungy, snotty old mess. So next, I've got to clean up all these parts, break open the kit, lay out all the new parts, and reassemble it. All right, just quickly, a rather odd question seems to crop up every single time I do a hydraulic rebuild, and it concerns this sachet of red rubber grease that you get in the kit. And the question is, can I use plain clean brake fluid instead? Well, yes, I guess you can, but it's not a lubricant. Actually, it's just hydraulic fluid, and I suppose it's wet, and yes, wet is better than dry, but this is a proper lubricant formulated for use on internal brake parts. And if the question is about contamination, then don't worry about that, because if you use a sparing amount of this, when you come to flood the system up, if you keep flushing the system through enough, it will eventually rinse away all residue of the rubber grease and switch over to pure brake fluid. Job done. There we are, everything assembled and working. Let's get it back on the bike. Get it. Right, you might ask yourself, what's the actual symptom of your master cylinder needing attention? Well, it would be that the brake lever, under braking, sinks in towards the bar. You kind of have to pump it up to get the brakes to work. That's pretty dangerous. You don't want that happening, and it indicates that the fluid is passing the seal inside there because it's worn out, and it's a 40,000 mile bike. 20 odd years old, so this is the time in the bike's life when you might be considering this sort of thing. And for a £25 seal kit, that's now 100% total peace of mind that there'll never be an issue in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.